Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system or the firmware updates on this watch. Before we start, if you want to check for the system updates on this watch, make sure that your watch is connected to the internet. Once the watch is connected to the internet, we can continue. And now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. Once you open the settings, you can scroll through the menu, find the software update option and tap on it. The watch will start looking for the available updates, and after this couple of seconds you should see the information. As you can see, my watch is up to date, but yours could have updates available, and if it does, you will see basically information that you have updates available, and you can tap on the download or install button right here to start installing and downloading the update. And once it's done installing, the watch will reboot and stuff like that. Before you start updating watch though, I recommend to charge the battery up or plug the watch to the charger, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch, so be aware of that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.